चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And like we said, the countdown has begun for the big swearing-in ceremony for the man who has been garnering all the limelight. Yes, Chandrababu Naidu, who is all set to be the new Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. In fact, the oath-taking ceremony that will take place at 11:30 in Vijayawada. According to sources, Shivangi, Pawan Kalyan has been offered Deputy Chief Minister's post.
That is right. Top sources have informed that BJP is going to get one cabinet ministry. We know that the Jan Sena party could get 3, TDP to get 21, including the chief minister's post. I just want to go across to Aneri is joining us. Aneri, we know that it's going to be a huge swearing-in ceremony. PM Modi, Amit Shah will be attending Andhra CM swearing-in event. What is planned? What are the preparations underway? Take us through it all, Aneri.
Well, that's right, Shivangi. A big day here in the state of Andhra Pradesh as Chandrababu Naidu takes oath as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Well, for the 4th time, and now what we are being told is that we have accessed the full list of the cabinet ministers who will be taking oath, and that includes Pawan Kalyan, Nara Lokesh, Acham Naidu, and many other. Well, when we talk about the equation of the 3 parties, because remember, it's the NDA government which is being formed in the state of Andhra Pradesh, one being TDP, Jan Sena, and the BJP. So now what's the equation here is that TDP keeps 21 posts, including the Chief Minister's post. Jan Sena gets 3 cabinet berths and BJP gets 1 cabinet berth. As we are right outside the venue, I'll just pan around and show how people have already started to come here at the venue, and also at the same time what we have been seeing is that Prime Minister Modi is expected to land around 10:30, 10:40 is the time when Prime Minister is expected to land, and he will directly be arriving at the venue. And also at the same time what we have been seeing is that late night developments which took place yesterday at Undavali at Chandrababu Naidu's residence, where Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Union Minister JP Nadda, and also BL Santosh were there at Chandrababu Naidu's residence. They had arrived, and also they discussed about the political scenario in the state and also at the center, because remember, at the center also it's the NDA government now, and TDP plays a key role. And so right now, as we are right outside the venue, where you can see people have started already to arrive here, and very important day today when we talk about, because after a landslide victory of the NDA here in the state of Andhra Pradesh, well, YSRCP, the Jagan Mohan Reddy's party, has now come down to 11 seats, which is definitely a shocking number for the YSRCP. But definitely now when we have been talking about this particular day today, where Chandrababu Naidu will be taking oath as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, well, definitely all eyes on that as well. And also the other ministers, including Pawan Kalyan, Nara Lokesh, will be taking oath today here in Kisarpalli at the venue.